Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Apple Books with Audible Library. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. Basically, I am on the Audible app for mobile devices, for iPhone anyway, but it's the exact same on Android. So I'm basically on the Audible app for iPhone, and you want to go down to the bottom right, the profile section. And then up on the top right, there's a gear icon. Click in there. And now go to Data and Storage, the first option, and scroll all the way down until you find this toggle option. It says Apple Books Sync. Turn on to add your Apple Books, audiobooks to your Audible library. So you can actually toggle that on. And then you actually have to update your app permissions to use Apple Books Sync. So open Settings. And then toggle on the first one, Media and Apple Music. And now go back to the Audible app. I'm going to find the selection again. So go to Profile, Gear icon, Data and Storage, and scroll down. And we see now the Apple Books Sync has been toggled on. So I'm going to show you what audiobooks I do currently have in my Apple Books app. I'm going to scroll out here, go to Apple Books. And from here, we can actually see The Way of the Superior Man audiobook, the Magic of Thinking Big as well as in there. So when we go back to Audible and we go to our library, there were 76 titles in there before I switched that toggle button on. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we're going to find The Way of the Superior Man and The Magic of Thinking Big down here as well. And actually How to Win Friends and Influence People is there as well. So you can actually listen to the audiobooks from Apple Books on your Audible app. Anyway, guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.